Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Monk of India. So today we are at a very beautiful hillside, or you can say the outskirts of the city. So today is Friendship Day, and me and my friend is riding Java bikes today, and this is a Friendship Day ride. You can call it a Friendship Day ride, or something like a Sunday ride, because it's a Sunday morning and we have started very early. We started at around 7 in the morning from my friend's place, though I started at around 6:30 from my place, and then we have taken a ride to this beautiful scenic place. This place is not very far away from Mumbai. It is near Taloja, or you can say it's just behind Taloja. So it's a very nice place. You can enjoy the beautiful scenic ride out here. You can see the clouds, the mountain, and everything. So this is an absolutely brilliant place to enjoy your ride. The roads are a bit scruffed up, but that's okay. ऐसे ऐसे रोड में ये जावा को राइड करने का मज़ा ही अलग है. So that has always been a great experience for us. I have always loved to ride on such roads, and with this Java bike, I think it's pretty stable. I've been using this bike for now nearly 11 months, and this is my 12th month. So I got this bike in the month of August. So I am pretty soon going for this third service of this bike, and it has been a great experience to have this bike on the road. I really appreciate Java for giving us such a beautiful bike. Though my friend is riding a classic and I am riding a Para. So it's been a great day. I think I don't want to talk much about the ride. You can see the scenic beauty. So the hills out here and the clouds, it's awesome. So I think you guys should enjoy this, and please do subscribe to my channel and enjoy rest of the video with some nice beautiful music and few drone shots that I have taken. So please enjoy the ride and share this with your friends, and also comment on this video. Thank you guys.
Philip.